You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this brand of Swiss-made watches, luxury watches, a brand. If you want to learn more brand names from Switzerland, Swiss watches, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. You'll definitely want to learn from Pronounce Rado. Yes, in Italian it's Rado, in French Rado, German also Rado. Therefore, whichever way you look at it, all the languages that are spoken in Switzerland, it's never Rado, all right? It's Rado. Rado. How to pronounce Rado. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.